this video, we see how to choose the right helmet for proper therapy. First of all, we must choose the helmet for CPAP therapy or for NIV therapy. The NIV helmet has a smaller volume, 11 liters against the 15 liters of the CPAP helmet. The NIV helmet has two identical connectors, inlet and outlet, 22mm male according to standard ISO. The CPAP helmet has two different connectors. At the inlet, a 22 male connector for connecting the flow, and at the outlet, a 22 female type connector for connecting the PEP valve. In addition, the CPAP helmet has an integrated pressure gauge for measuring the pressure. Then we have to choose the type of collar, polyurethane or silicone. The silicone collar is more elastic and ensures a seal on the neck. It is a bit more expensive, but offers better performance. The polyurethane helmet offers a seal on the upper part of the thorax, and requires the straps to be more taut during use. Furthermore, in the silicone models, it is possible to combine an optional cushion and have the helmet function even without straps. In NIV helmets, therefore, a silicone collar is recommended to minimize leaks. We then have to choose the type of access to the patient, which can be through a porthole or through a zipper. Access through the porthole allows access to the patient for nursing operations, but does not allow full access to the patient's head. It is therefore a sufficient access mode and a cheaper model. The zipper is a little more expensive, but allows full access to the patient, and especially in an emergency, it also allows intubation without removing the helmet. We can therefore say that access with a porthole is indicated in non-specialist wards, while in the resuscitation and cardiological ICU wards, we recommend the helmet with a zipper. To facilitate the work of clinical staff, Harol can offer specific kits complete with accessories. It must therefore be decided at the time of purchase how to configure the kit. With the PEP valve, antibacterial filters, ventilation pipe tubes, circuits and catheter mounts, earplugs. Let's now see an example of a kit for both CPAP and NIV. On the label, we find a code that identifies the kit.